Hey all, and welcome to another one. So today we are on our next part of our Villa Intercom series, and we will be looking at the ringtones for our screen. Okay, so the ringtones are whenever the doorbell is pressed, what's it going to sound like inside? Essentially your chime, or whatever you want to call it. Right now we're going to look at the default ones, but coming up later I'm going to show you how to upload your own ones, and you can literally upload any sound you like, any sound you have pre-recorded. I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, let me show you right now the options it comes with as default. Okay, so it comes with 3 ringtones. Okay, pretty standard. Ringing number 2. Okay, will definitely drive me crazy after a while. And a little bit annoying, all right? But anyway, that's how you select your ringtones. What we are going to do is we're going to go now upload some new ones, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now on the PC. Catch you there. Alright, so on our PC now, and we're actually on our website, ssrtrading.co.uk, and where we're going to go is we're going to go to technical support, we're going to go to doorbell sound effects, and we're going to click that link. Okay, so here is where we can download some pre-converted doorbells. Okay, so I've uploaded some here, and these are just some classic doorbell chimes. Okay, so you could go up here to the top, download. Okay, there we go. And I've done some sound effects, just using the door here, nothing special. Okay, just a simple knock knock. But what else you could do, guys, is you can go to this little app here called Audio Converter app. Click on this, and you can download your own audio. Okay, so just get any kind of audio file, upload it here, go to convert. I would put it on the maximum volume, but keep it on standard definition here, and then you'll be able to upload your own files. Okay, they're a bit sensitive of what the kind of files are like, but I've used this converter before and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so now we've downloaded a couple of sound effects. I'm going to show you how to upload them on IVMS. Catch you there. Alright, so on IVMS right now, all you have to do is go to your screen and load up the system menu in our device manager. Okay, just like normal, and then we go to Intercom and we have ring import. Okay, can't get really much simpler than this. We just click on add, we go to our download file folder, download the files, and it uploads it. Okay, you don't even have to click apply, anything like that, just upload them. When you see them here, they're added. Okay, so simple as that, guys. Really, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. So if you don't know how to use IVMS and you're just watching this, you're an end user, check out the earlier video. It's not really that hard to get everything set up. Just don't mess around with your settings, okay? You can go here and add the ringtones. You should be okay. But now we're going to go flip back over and test out the ringtones on our screen. Catch you there. Alright, so back on our screen, let's go to our settings panel again, and we click on ringtone. And as you see now, we've got more ringtones added. Okay, so let's check out the knock knock first of all. Okay, the doorbell. Okay, the volume's a bit loud here, so as you see here, we've got volume settings. You can change it here. Alright, but we're just going to leave that for now. You can mess around with it as you need. Let's just give it a ring. Got my doorbell here. Zoom out a little bit. Let's give it a ring. Okay, there we go, guys. So custom ringtones done. Coming towards the end of this little mini series now, so stay tuned for a couple more episodes, but they're going to have some informative stuff on there. So thanks for watching. Catch you in another one. Cheers. Bye.